Once upon a time, in a small village nestled in the rolling hills, there lived a group of animals who were known for their unity and strength. The animals, including the wise owl, the swift deer, the cunning fox, and the powerful bear, all worked together to ensure the safety and prosperity of their community. One day, a pack of wolves descended upon the village, threatening to destroy everything in their path. The animals knew that they must band together in order to protect their home. The owl used his keen eyesight to spot the wolves from afar, while the deer and fox worked together to lead them away from the village. The bear stood guard at the entrance, ready to defend their home at all costs. Despite their differences and individual strengths, the animals knew that only by working together could they overcome the threat of the wolves. They communicated effectively, each playing their part in the plan to outsmart the predators. Unity was their greatest weapon, and it gave them the strength to face any challenge that came their way. As the wolves closed in on the village, the animals sprang into action. The deer and fox led the pack on a wild chase through the forest, while the owl swooped down from above, distracting them with his hoots and calls. The bear stood firm at the entrance, ready to face the wolves head-on. In the end, the animals' unity and strength prevailed. The wolves were driven away, never to return to the village again. The animals celebrated their victory, knowing that it was their unity that had saved them. They understood that by working together, they were stronger than any enemy that dared to challenge them. From that day on, the animals of the village lived in harmony, always remembering the lesson they had learned. Unity is a strength that can overcome any obstacle. And so, they continued to thrive, their bond stronger than ever before. And they lived happily ever after, a shining example of the power of unity.